Hello guys, in this tutorial I'll be showing you guys how to solve monetization is not available in your location. Let's get into the video. So the first thing you need to do is that you simply need to click on your setting, after which you come to click on what channel. Once you're there, you simply need to change your channel location. So I'm going to choose Nigeria or any country you want. So let me just choose South Africa. After that, you click on what? Save. So guys, we are just from solving that issue. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comment in the comment section below. We love you all. See you in the next tutorial.